Hey guys, welcome to our channel. This is Health Coach Team. In this video, we are going to give you some important information about Dble heart murmur. Before we start, please like and subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get new updates. Some of you out there may be searching for information on Dble heart murmur. During my research for this article, I found nothing to substantiate that they are real. I supposed it is possible, but I can find no information to help you with your search. Heart murmurs are characterized as unusual sounds heard during the heartbeat with the use of a stethoscope by your doctor. Most heart murmurs are not life-threatening and usually resolve on their own. Or if they do stick around, cause no further health problems, they are just there. Unfortunately, there are heart murmurs, maybe like Dble heart murmur. If the condition exists, that is due to an underlying health condition that can be very serious. Heart disease, heart attack, stroke are all serious conditions that can cause heart murmurs or be caused by them. Having a heart murmur means that there is blood leakage through a valve in the heart. Therefore, the blood is not pumping as efficiently as it should. If this condition is not treated, then it could deteriorate into a diagnosis of congestive heart failure. Congestive heart failure raises your blood pressure and causes swelling and edema in your lower legs. And the excess fluid buildup will cause you to breathe with more difficulty. You will find it harder to do the things you love to do. Next to the brain, the heart is the most important organ in the human body. You cannot live without your heart. The heart is responsible for circulating blood throughout the body to supply all the organs. And other issues with much needed oxygen and nutrients for optimum health. When you go to see your doctor, what is the first thing he or she will do? Usually, take out their stethoscope and listen to your heart and lungs. They are listening for the normal sounds the heart makes and also for abnormal sounds the heart may make, like a heart murmur. Heart murmurs can be caused by a defect in the heart that is congenital. Or damage can occur from a virus or bacterial infection. Or poor lifestyle choices such as being addicted to cigarettes, other smoking materials, or alcohol. A heart murmur is not a disease in itself, but can be an indicator of a disease. There are two types of heart murmurs. One is called an innocent heart murmur and rarely, if ever, requires treatment. The other type is called an abnormal heart murmur and is due to some serious heart condition that does require immediate and ongoing treatment. If there was such a thing as a Dble heart murmur, I would think it would be a fairly serious condition and require treatment and management, possibly surgery. I do apologize if someone out there has been diagnosed with a Dble murmur and has not found sufficient information on their condition. Keep looking and keep your head up. Help is out there. This video is not to be considered medical advice of any kind and is only for informational and entertainment purposes only. As always, you, the reader, should consult with your personal physician or another licensed health professional. So guys, I'm all today. This is just an informative video. I hope this video will help you the most. Thanks for watching this video. If you like our channel, please share and subscribe.